What is it gonna be about?
You'll find out. Say bye.
Bye.
What's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. Today is super exciting because there's so much going on. So today we gotta go get my plates because they just came in. So we're gonna go to Westside Kia, pick up the plates. Then we gotta pick up the short tails and we're gonna head over to Daniel's house, install the short tails, and then we gotta do the giveaway too. This is gonna be a super exciting vlog. I can't wait. So I'll see you guys at Westside Kia. Just got the plates finally on with the UH license plate frame. It looks so good. The silver and red with the silver and red.
Auto care professionals are...
Alright guys, so got the plates. We're gonna go to Daniel's house now, but I think we have to make a stop at O'Reilly to get some gaskets. This is my last drive. It's like completely stock. Like I know I'm just getting short tails, but like the sound and everything this is my last drive completely stock. Also, my mom has no idea. That's why in the beginning she's like, so what is this video about? Because I kept telling her, oh, you just have to find out. 2 days ago she was like, you're not gonna modify this car, right? I hope you learned from the Genesis that it's a waste of money, blah blah blah. And I was like, oh, definitely not. Next time she's gonna see my car, it's gonna be extremely loud. So hopefully she's not too mad. And she's gonna be watching this video, so hi Mom. Alright, we'll see y'all at O'Reilly. Just got to O'Reilly guys. Gotta get 2 gaskets. They're like $1.50 and we'll be right back. Got the gaskets. It was like $4. It's been a long day, but now we're finally gonna go install this thing. Oh, also, we're O'Reilly reward members now. Oh, thank God his driveway's not steep. All right, we made it. Take a look at the vet. He got some smoke tail lights on it. I don't know why I just had a country accent. Looks pretty dope. All right, guys, so we're just gonna do some quick pulls, some super quiet pulls to see what it's like before we install the short tails. So, wait for these cars to go by. We're in first right now, going about 20.
This is nice and all, but
man, that's kind of live. Dude, these downshifts are so quiet. Guys, I'm genuinely so sad right now. So it's freaking 11 p.m. Daniel and I spent like 4 hours trying to get the bolts off, and there was one bolt that it would just not come off. It was so stripped. We had another friend come help us. We tried so many techniques to get this bolt off, and it's just not coming off. It's not happening. So tomorrow I'm gonna be installing the short tails and the X-pipe. It just sucks because I was really excited to do this today, but I guess we're gonna have to do this tomorrow morning. I'm sorry I didn't upload tonight. If you guys were excited for the video, probably just excited for the giveaway, but I'm sorry, I'm so dead. What a waste of time, what a waste of money, energy, everything. I'll see y'all tomorrow, good night. All right guys, so it's Sunday morning. Fresh day, fresh start. Today's gonna be a good day. So I just wanna tell you guys what happened yesterday because I realized I watched the footage this morning and the camera stopped recording, and then we were just too invested on getting it to fix that I forgot to record. So I have no footage from last night. So I just want to tell you guys really quick what happened. Basically, there was one bolt that was really stripped and it was also really tight and we couldn't get it off. We tried using electrical tape with the 14 because it was too thin, so we couldn't even turn it at that point, but it didn't stick on there. So then we tried stripping it more so that the 13 could fit, and then we could hammer in the 13, but there wasn't enough room for that, so that didn't work either. My friend also tried like electrically trying to unweld the back end, and that didn't work either. Just know we tried a lot of things and we struggled a lot. So honestly, maybe it wasn't a good thing that was recorded, but it would have been cool to document it all. But let's look at the bright side, right? So today, I'm going over to his house. Like I said, that bolt, we're just gonna leave it on, and we're just gonna leave the stock muffler connected to the X-pipe, and I'm just gonna get a whole X-pipe, and we're getting the short tail as well. So the whole cat back. I guess it's a win-win. Maybe it's like a sign telling me that I should have just bought the X-pipe and the short tails. I don't know. So I'll see you guys there. Hopefully everything goes smooth. Thank you guys for being patient. This video will go up today, I promise.
Bro, your car's louder than mine.
Wait, sounds kind of nice.
Louder than mine.
Give it a couple revs. Like 4,000. It's actually not that bad. I never heard my car from outside. That's cool. Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright guys, the moment you've been waiting for, we're finally gonna do the giveaway. So, I have a Word document. I'll show y'all real quick, just to see that I'm not scamming y'all. So I have everybody's name in here. So there's a lot of people that entered the giveaway. 62 people. Got the random number generator. We're about to do it 1 through 62 in 3, 2, 1. Number 26. We're about to go to the sheet right now, guys. Number 26 is Jacob. Jacob! Bro, you're not winning this, Jacob. Sorry, Jacob. Okay. Alright, Jacob, congratulations. If you don't claim your prize within a week, I'll know you, 1, you're a fake fan for not watching my video, and 2, you don't get your prize. Congrats, Jacob. Now let's pick the second winner. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that was kind of close. Alright, number 30, we got We wrote this in. What? You're not gonna win. So we'll do one more. What? Alright, last one. Last one, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Number 6. Brendan. Congrats, Brendan. Once again, you can claim your prize within a week. Alright, so we did the giveaway. 3 people. It's kind of crazy. So once again, Jacob, Brendan, and this guy. I don't know how he won. This is so stupid. Like, alright, whatever. He's not getting nothing though. Alright, so I'm sorry if you didn't win. Like I said, I'm doing another giveaway at 500 subs. Let's get there, guys. Like, we're growing really fast, so thank you for the support. This was 62 people, so this was a lot more people than last time. Last time I had like 30 people that entered. So once again, I'm sorry if you didn't win. We're gonna have more giveaways, I promise. As the channel grows, I'm gonna give it, like, the giveaways are gonna get bigger and bigger. With that, I'll conclude this vlog. It was a very long one. It spanned over like 2 to 3 days. Once again, I'm sorry I didn't upload Saturday night. Thank you guys for waiting for the video. I know it's Sunday night, but I hope you guys enjoy this one. The exhaust sounds freaking amazing, guys. The video really doesn't do it justice at all. I was watching the clips. It doesn't sound as loud as it does in person. You have to hear this in person because it sounds freaking awesome. I'm super excited. I can't wait for the rest of the car. We have a lot of stuff coming, guys, so stay tuned. And thank you once again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.